Total insertion po is 17,820,439,000 as far as flood control projects are concerned, which are 25 million and above. Ulitin ko po, we did not include your other projects which do not include flood control. Kaya lang po yung pagpapasalamat namin, sino po ba naman probinsyang di magpapasalamat na ganong kadaming pera, napalitan po ito ng panghihinayang. Well, during the Senate hearing in the past, you were discussing about existence or non-existence of a National Flood Mitigation Master Plan. Oriental Mindoro has one. In 2019, we have a Regional Development Council endorsed Flood Mitigation Master Plan, which is a product of several studies conducted by foreign bodies, even local experts, and the provincial government of Oriental Mindoro. It was duly signed and endorsed to DPWH in 2019. Kaya lang po, ang amount po niyan more or less is 12 billion to solve the totality of the problem of flooding. We have already received more than 30 billion. So kung sinunod po yung Flood Mitigation Master Plan ng probinsya, more or less sana, solve na ang problema. Kaya lang po, tingnan nyo po yung nangyari, 2012, 2022, baha, 2023, baha, 2024, 2025, despite the presence of more than 30 billion flood control. Bakit po? This leads to the third P, panlulumo. Bakit po nakakapanlumo? Mr. Chair, simula pa lang po may mali na. Una, di akmang disenyo. Saan po kayo nakakita ng flood control, pero dinisenyo ng DPWH na parang gumagawa ng boulevard? Ano po bang gustong gawin ng DPWH? Boulevard for tourism purpose or flood control? 20 meters na lapad na kalsada, tapos lalagyan ng konting semento sa kanan, konting semento sa kaliwa. As early as March 6, 2023, I called the attention of DPWH and all the contractors. Pinatigil ko po yan 1.5 months. Sabi ko po, you are doing something for my province, you didn't even consult us. Sabi nila, ang drawing daw po ay ginawa to solve the flooding. Pinatigil ko po for 1.5 months. And honestly, Mr. Chair, sinabi ko sa mga kontraktor na yan at sa DPWH, pag namatay ako after this at pinapatay ako, kayo ang nagpapatay sa akin.